Yo, this is who am I, nigga. My rhymes are solid. When it comes to this game, I'm a rock if you ain't know it. And my future looking golden, Nas's return is coming. Record deals are coming, my competition is shit. My mixtape just flushed it. Acting like you ain't know who deserves the throne. I'm on one, nigga, don't let the fake slide to you. Had your subliminal, don't cause the end of you. Ain't no such thing as a trapper. It's either you're a rapper or you're just worker. I'm a Futuri Kosi to represent my ass, locking these rappers in a room full of gas and then I lie at a mesh. I saw my only potential rival is Cornerstone. And all of you rappers just pack your bags and go home, cause the journey ain't for y'all, so you just took us halfway. Make sure you tell your hoes I'm gonna fuck them one day. Don't bring your knife cause my rhymes been at the school of gunplay. I don't need Warzone to prove that I'm the best. The King Kong of the rap game, I'm out here beating my chest. Yo, you know your rhymes are average. To your career I'm bringing damage. Let me that's your savage, nigga, you just fucking garbage. I paved the way for these niggas, but they tend to forget that. I'm a role model for these niggas, but they tend to forget that. You wanna know something else, nigga? I'm better than your ass. Been doing this when I was in 5th grade. I no longer kill rappers, I bruise them and bring first aid. Especially if you my homie. Shout out to Paz, I hate my homie. We hit the booth, killed some beats and then turned them to zombies. I see fear in your ugly face, I'm gonna chase you out of this game. I'm a rapper in paradise, though my pockets are still quiet. Some of y'all's are whack, but you consider to be better. I'ma make it your last chapter. Ain't no fake rapper gonna make it through survival. Watch me become the idol as I get myself the title. And when I touch the microphone, I'll crack your skull bone and leave you up. And if you gotta beef with me, I'll leave you as a clone. Yo.